Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how you can change to the old photo viewer, which is already there in Windows 10, but you have to restore it now. This one, the Photos new app, I really do not like it because of the printing options. I need some extra options. You will have to right click and go to open with, but you will not find the old one here. To restore it, you will have to play with the registry, but to save your time, I have made a registry, this one. You will find it on the website link below in the description. Just click it and say yes, and then accept it. Yes, the keys and values have been added. Okay, thank you. Using a customer's image to explain. Now open with. You won't find it here, but you will have to choose another app. Go scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, more apps. You will have to click this, and here it is. After the registry, you will find this. Always use this app to open JPG files. Okay, now you will find this. Why I like this is because of the print options. Print with the picture. Now if I want two images of the same kind, look this, I will do two, and it will give me it on the same page. It saves pages, is an eco-friendly option. That's why I like it. But this option is not available in the Windows 10 photo viewer. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Thank you.